Before installing the RaceChip, please wait for the vehicle's engine to cool down. Put the parking brake on. If equipped, please disable the vehicle's alarm system. Open the vehicle's hood. Roll up the vehicle's windows. Close the vehicle's doors. Lock the vehicle. Move the vehicle's key 30 feet 10 meters away from the vehicle. Wait 10 minutes before starting the installation. This will allow the remaining electricity to leave the vehicle. After removing the engine cover, the first connector is located at the rear of the engine, underneath the intake pipe and close to the firewall. This is the boost/charge pressure sensor. To unplug the original connector, it's recommended to use a long screwdriver to release the locking tab. Connect the A cable here. Next, route the cable neatly and secure it with zip ties along the factory wiring harness, keeping it away from hot engine components and any moving parts. The next sensor is located on the right-hand side of the engine. Here, connect the B cable to the intake manifold pressure (MAP) sensor. After that, at the front of the engine, remove the protective foam cover to access the sensor. Connect the C cable to the camshaft sensor. When plugging in each connector, you should hear a sharp click. That click confirms the connector is fully seated and locked in place. Finally, secure all cables properly along the entire route. The installation is now complete and your RaceChip is ready to use. Switch on the ignition and start the engine. The display or the green LED on the RaceChip will light up. The system is now active. For your first test drive, start with the default setting of your RaceChip. If everything feels good, you can later switch to the next performance level. Keep in mind that the car will need some time to fully adapt before unlocking the maximum performance boost. Now get out there and enjoy your RaceChip.